I'm going to show you how to prepare your pattern or your model for grading. So I've opened up AccuMark Explorer, and down the bottom in this list of items you'll see that there is a rule table, and we've called this one B10M. So this is all of the grading rules that apply to a variety of basic styles. We've set that up, and this needs to be in your storage area before you can even think about doing any grading. So if you've got a standard grade rule table in your company, that's what would go in here. Now I'm going to grade C4702, so I'm going to right click on it and open with Pattern Design, knowing that I've got that grade rule table in there. Now in Pattern Design, first thing always that we need to do is make sure that we're in the correct storage area. So under Paths H, I need to look for that C4702, and I need to put my grade rule table in. So that's the first thing we need to do. Apply, save, and OK. Now once I've got all my pieces down in the workspace, I then first of all check to see if they have already had grading applied to them. So Control G, or if you go to the long way and look for all sizes, you'll see that Control G is the shortcut. Our user input asks us to select the piece or pieces to display a nest. So I'm just going to right click and select all, and if there's any grading on them, it will show up in the variety of colours that we have to show our nest. You can see there's nothing happening there, so I can assume safely that there's no grading previously been applied to this particular pattern. Okay, so I'm in the grade tab. My next thing is to select Assign Rule Table. So we're going to instruct the system which rule table we're applying to the pieces. So right click, select all. We want to have them all having B10M applied to them. That's the start of doing our grading. Once we've got that, we can then go ahead and start using Edit Delta and so forth to do our grading.